we are going to be talking affiliate marketing the Zanele way. I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to explain to you step by step what is affiliate marketing. That's why I've called this session a Affiliate Marketing 101, because I want at the end of the session you have a better understanding of what this is and how it fits into your side hustle or full-time hustle, and how you can get on with it and start making money when it comes to affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? I would like to start explaining what is an affiliate. An affiliate is somebody that is associated with an organization or a group of people or a company of some sort. So it starts there. If you want to be affiliated with a company or an organization, then you would market for that company. Hence comes affiliate marketing. The way that I look at it, I'm trying all sorts of ways to show my facial expressions when I do these presentations, because I get very passionate when I am explaining, especially when we get to this point. We now know that affiliate is an association. Affiliate marketing is a sexy way of selling. That's the easiest way of explaining what affiliate marketing is. And what do I mean when I say it's a sexy way of selling? We all know how difficult sales is. I've done sales for about 10 years when I was with Old Mutual and I was selling insurance, and that was hard. Because you knock in people's houses and you tell them, I have an insurance that I want to sell to you. Would you like the insurance? And sales is hard. Whereas with affiliate marketing, what the companies are saying to you, we're going to make your life easy for you to sell our product. And that's why for me, it is sexy. You don't have to go knock in people's houses. You do it a digital kind of way, and you make it your own, and you choose the product that talks to you. And you will see what I mean by that when I say you need to choose a product that talks to you. So with affiliate marketing, meaning with the sexy way of selling, there's a way that you could sell using affiliate marketing via programs, and there's a way where you could use networks. What do we mean when we say programs? Programs, we mean one company. We mean Learn with ZA. You see, I also have my affiliate marketing that I've launched a couple of days ago. So if you believe in my courses and you believe in the way that I train and the way that I teach, and you want to be associated with me, and you find it easy for you to sell my products because you've taken a course or you've taken a live, you understand the way that I sell, the way that I teach, then you could be associated with me, meaning you would join my program. Then I will show you how to sell, and I will give you a dashboard, and then I'm going to give you an example later on in our talk today to show you how to sell these products that you're going to decide to sell. And look at me, I'm putting myself with the big boys, the Amazons and the Canvas. I'm like, let's go. Anyway, so yes, programs means one company that you join. Usually, you scroll to the bottom of the page and you find a link that says referrals, affiliate marketing. It would say affiliate marketing. And then you click on there and then you register for affiliate marketing program with that company. Exactly with Amazon. And I'm going to show you an example of Amazon of how you could sell and market the products that are on there. And I'm also going to damper your spirits if you are in South Africa, because shipping is expensive. So the sooner you get to international markets, the easier for you to start making lots of money while we wait for Amazon to come to South Africa. But it doesn't mean you can't start selling the products on Amazon right now. I'm hoping I'm going to share a little bit of a process that I'm using to sell Amazon products. I started selling it now. That's the programs. One company, you join them, you focus on them. I don't know, you could focus on hundreds. of programs if you want, because it is people selling different kinds of products. So affiliate marketing, that's why my previous slide, that's why I have that to blow your mind. If you see a product, always, if you are interested in it, and I know that we're interested in affiliate marketing, if you see a product out there, I don't care if it's a TV, if it's a mic, if it's a cup, if it's shoes, if it's the rest, if it's fridge, scroll to the bottom of the page of that company, look and see if they have a program. If you like the brand, join the program and start marketing their products, because that's what affiliate marketing is. Any company can open up a program. That's why I've made an example of myself. I have me and my 2 boys. It's a small company that we have, but we have an affiliate marketing program that we've started, because anybody can ask anybody to sell for them. So that's the programs. Now with network, the companies like ClickBank, which is international, and the companies like affiliate.co.za, which is in South Africa, what they do, they say to companies, the Zaneles, the Canvas, the Zandos, the USM, they say to them, if you want us to help you market your products, then join our network. So the companies would then join the network. Then the ClickBanks and the and the affiliate.co.za, what they then do, they audition in a way, or so you would sign up for ClickBank, and they would look at where you are situated, and you would sign up. There's a sign up sheet, and we're going to look at it just now so that you have a look and see if it's something that you would like to do. Then you complete their sign-up sheet, they review it, they come back to you and they say, yes, you're successful, or no, you're not successful. And sometimes they would tell you why you're not successful. Usually you don't have a blog, you don't have a website. How are you going to sell these people's products? But when you are with a network, you're not just selling the Canvas and the Learn with ZA. You have more than one niche in one network. So with ClickBank, you have a potential of selling digital market, books, health and fitness, you name it, products that you could think of, different kinds of niches, shoes, kettles, TVs. I'm looking at my house now, trying to give you an idea of different kinds of niches that are in here, in the one program, that you can pick and choose and say, okay, I want to run with fitness, or I want to run with health, or I want to run with TVs and gadgets and laptops or books. Then you pick more than one niche. So if you specialize in, for example, books, you love books, you like Dineo, you like reading, but you also like digital stuff, then you could join 2 niches in one network, which is different to programs, because programs, you're just dealing with Canva and just talking Canva the whole time, and you need to make money with Canva or not, and that's it. Whereas in here, you have more than one niche that you could focus on, and that they would allow you to sell. I've seen on affiliate.co.za, even music is in there, and you'll see now when we jump in to have a look. So how does it work? How do you make money? How do you jump in and start earning commission? You have, for example, decided to go with Canva. Then you sign up with Canva. Canva will immediately give you a link. So with your link, you then put it on your social media or your blog or your groups at Facebook. So you start advertising that product that you've decided to be affiliated with. So that's why it's very important that you are comfortable with the product that you are selling, because you don't have to physically sell. You just place your ads and you what's the English word? You strategically guide people to your link so that they click on the link and then they buy. So I have set up the courses and I've set up the sales side of the courses. When you give them the link, they land on my website. And my website should convert them. My website, when they're reading through my courses and whatnot, you're not going to be talking to anybody. You're just making sure that you drive people to your link. And if they click on your link, then it converts the customer to buy the product. Once they buy the product, we track to see if they put in the money, and sometimes the conversion, like Canva, it takes 30 days. With Canva, somebody signs up as a trial for 30 days. After 30 days, they pay. Once they start paying, then I get paid commission. So this would depend on each program or each network that you've joined, because it's completely different companies. If you're at Amazon and somebody buys shoes via your affiliate link and Amazon gets money, they pay you because they got the money. As soon as somebody clicks on your link and they buy, if there's no waiting required like Canva, because Canva still gives a 30-day trial, then you would wait for your commission or not.